guys, it's Noemi
and Farrell
and Ava and Mickey and Minnie.
And welcome to the Glitter Squad! Hey guys, so we're here with Noemi today, and I'm going to be doing Noemi's makeup. You ready, Noemi?
Yep.
Okay, so first we're going to start with foundation from Sephora. So for Noemi, we're just going to do a light coverage because she's really young. She doesn't have any pimples on her face that we need to cover up. Unlike me, yes, I know, we don't need to talk about it. Okay, so just want to go a little around the side of her face, her chin, her nose, her forehead, and a little bit under her eyes. Then we just get round out. If you see any places that need work, then you can put it on, but right now I think it's good for Noemi. Now we're going to do blush. We have a palette also from Sephora, and we're going to be using the metallic shade. I don't know its name because they print the names on it for some reason. Isn't that weird, Noemi?
Yeah.
So we're just going to take a little smile, and you want to apply it to the apples of her cheeks. So you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. So now what we're going to do is I would like to do eyeshadow. So I have a palette from Morphe that I'm going to open. I'm very bad at opening palettes, guys. So here's the palette. And for Noemi, I think we're going to do a nice natural like orange shade. Latergram. Hashtag Latergram. I don't get that name. But someone somewhere in the world, it makes sense. Okay, so let's do it. So I'm also using a brush from Morphe, M153. Okay, close your eyes. So we're just doing a very light coverage for her. Go 1, 2, 1, 2. And then for Noemi, I think we're going to take a bit of hashtag now trending and lightly dust it over to just give it a little bit of glitter. There we go. Now we're going to do some mascara. Here we go. I can't pronounce this brand.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Noemi, can you pronounce it? Because I really bad pronunciation.
This right here?
Yeah. Was it L'Oreal?
Yeah, I think it might be L'Oreal.
See, she can't pronounce it either. I'm telling you, if I ever make a makeup company, it's going to be ones that people can actually pronounce.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to like read them.
Okay. So close your eyes. Now, what you want to do is you want to start at the base, and then comb it out like this. And for Noemi, we're not going for a lot. We're just going to do a very light. Uh-oh.
There's wipes over there.
Thank you, Noemi.
There's wipes somewhere over there. I can't see.
Okay. There you go. Okay. And do you want some lipstick?
Sure.
So we're going to use this lip gloss. Is it okay if I put it on you?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Now rub your lips together. And we're done. Ta-da! So, this is our product today. I think she looks gorgeous. So give this video a thumbs up, comment, and put a comment in the comment box below. I was having a very hard time pronouncing that.
It's kind of a description, but it's fine.
Yeah. And tell Noemi how good you think she looks. So make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!